if you've been involved in a crash and you suspect that there's a distracted driver involved, like, you're in your rearview mirror, you see, head down, what he was doing or she was doing, or maybe you didn't hear any braking before the crash. Those are usually the telltale signs that somebody was distracted. And unfortunately, these days, it's always the same distraction almost. It's their cell phone. And the question I get all the time is, well, I think it was a distracted driving accident. I can't prove it, but I just kind of know. Well, the really good thing is you can hire an experienced distracted driving lawyer, and we can really make a huge difference in finding this out for you. If there's distracted driving in a case, it'll dramatically change the potential value of the case. It changes the trajectory of the case. But you've got to have a lawyer who's willing to take the steps to prove it. And like, for example, we just a few days ago, we got a new case of a car crash really bad car crash up in Tallahassee. And our client, young man, new dad, his baby's just a couple months old. He was in a devastating rear end collision with absolutely massive damage to both vehicles. And right away, anybody with a brain knows that this was definitively a distracted driving accident. But then the question is, how do you prove it? Well, I'll tell you how you prove it. Firstly, you got to hire a lawyer who knows what the heck he's doing. Then on top of that, you have to have a lawyer who's willing to take the extra steps that most personal injury lawyers don't. So in this case, what we've done is we've contacted the insurance company. We got all the information. We're securing the evidence. And we said, look, we're sending our experts to investigate those vehicles. We're going to download the EDR, which is the black box from the vehicle. We're going to have our experts do that. We're going to find out exactly how this crash really happened, not what the at-fault driver is saying. But more than anything, too, is we need to get access to those cell phones. So what we've told the insurance company is, look, either your insureds give up their cell phones to our experts for a download and analysis, or we're going to file a lawsuit tomorrow, and we're going to get a judge's order to compel that. Because that information, it goes away fast. They're on their phones. They know they've been in a bad crash. They're deleting. They're getting rid of it all. And quite honestly, the cell phone carriers don't hold on to that information very long. So if you even have a whiff of just distracted driving, if you suspect it in the slightest, give us a call. That's what we do. And I'm super proud to say we are distracted driving experts, and I will do whatever I have to do to prove that distracted driving was the chief cause of the crash that you were involved in.